at the ceiling again. Fan turning slow, like it knows where I've been. Tears on my pillow, but I don't make a sound. Faith feels so far, like it can't be found. I tried to be strong, tried to hold my ground, but this heavy heart keeps pulling me down. Lord, can you hear me in this silent cry? Or am I just talking to the empty sky? Mama used to tell me, son, just pray it through. Even when the storm clouds block your view. But right now, the thunder feels too loud, and I'm just one voice lost in the crowd. I've been walking miles on a broken road, carrying pain like a heavy load. If your grace is real, let it fall on me like the gentle waves of a healing sea. I remember Sundays, old wooden pews, voices rising up, singing gospel blues. Hands lifted high, with no shame at all, believing you would catch us if we fall. But somewhere between the then and now, I lost that fire, don't know how. So I'm reaching out through the dark tonight,
hoping you'll lead me back to the light.
Every scar I carry tells a story deep. A promise is broken and nights no sleep. I've worn a smile just to hide the ache, giving more love than I could take. But you see the truth I can't disguise, the hurt that lingers behind my eyes. So if you're listening, don't pass me by.
I need your mercy, I won't lie.
There's a whisper moving through my soul, soft like a wind that makes me whole, saying, child, I've been here all along. Even when you felt so wrong, and the weight I carry starts to release, bit by bit, I'm finding peace, like chains breaking without a sound.
Grace is lifting me from the ground.
I ain't perfect, Lord, I've made mistakes, walked down roads that led to heartbreaks, doubted your love, turned away. Still you kept me day by day. Now I feel something I can't explain, like sunshine after pouring rain. Your presence wraps around my pain and washes me clean again and again. I can breathe a little deeper now, don't need to question why. Your love is stronger than my fear. Even in silence you are near. The night ain't over, but I see dawn, a brand new strength to carry on. And every tear I cried before is falling down no more. So I walk this road with steady feet, even when shadows try to compete with the light you place inside of me. A quiet strength the world can't see. I may stumble, I may fall, but I know now you hear my call. And when I'm weak and feeling small, your grace will cover it all. Now the room feels different,
Calm and still,
like your spirit rests here at will.
that's here at will.
No more questions,
No more fear,
just a gentle voice I can finally hear, saying you love more than you know. Through every high and every low, and I close my eyes, let my burdens go, carried by love that heals my soul.
now the room feels different, calm and still, like your spirit rests here at will. No more questions, no more fear.
Just a gentle voice I can finally hear, saying you love more than you know. Through every high and every low, and I close my eyes, let my burdens go, carried by love that heals my soul.